I just finished filming the intro and the application process of my cushion foundation, yung na-feature ko sa previous haul ko. I asked you guys if you want me to do a review, and you said yes. I will go ahead and transfer the file that I have on my phone because I actually filmed my makeup collection video yesterday. I haven't filmed the intro yet. I used my phone in filming that kasi mas better yung quality ng phone ko sa labas, sa natural lighting, than my camera. And then, ano pa ba gagawin ko? When I was in the shower, ang dami kong iniisip na, oh my gosh, I'm gonna film this, I'm gonna film that. And now, nakalimutan ko na, so that's crazy. But yeah, I'm uploading a video right now. This was supposed to be up tomorrow. No, not tomorrow, yesterday. And I didn't have a video up yesterday, you guys, because the internet was just freaking cray. Like, seriously though. Like, sa umaga, it was 600 minutes. Pag-check ko nung hapon, 1,000 minutes. Paggabi, 2,000 minutes. Like, seriously. Nakakaloka. Kahapon talaga, I was like, wala na akong magagawa. Like, I can't do anything about it. Wala akong video kahapon. I'm pretty sure this will be up today at 5. Oh, you guys, ginamit ko na nga pala to for the very first time kanina nung in-apply ko yung cushion foundation. And you guys, this is so freaking good. I really like it. No wonder ang daming magusto nitong foundation brush na to because it just works amazing. Makikita niyo sa review ko kung bakit ko siya nagustuhan. Like, mas nagbe-blend siya ng maayos compared sa sponge that comes in that foundation foundation. Look at these, you guys. I need to hang all these. Hindi ko alam kung bakit naglabas si mama kanina. Pero naglabas siya, you guys. Maybe because na-overwhelmed siya kasi may tubig. It's been like, I think 2 days na walang tubig. I mean, siguro naman merong tubig, pero sa madaling araw sila meron. Though marami kaming pondo para panligo namin, pero like, you know, siguro na-overwhelmed siya. Okay lang naman sa akin yung paghang. Dali-dali lang kaya maghang. I will remove my nail polishes, you guys, kasi nag-chip na siya, oh. Kaka-apply ko lang nito eh. Monday ata? No, Sunday siguro. Hindi ganun katagal pa yun, pero nag-chip na siya ng bonggang-bongga. Ito yung BK nail polish, yung super matte nail polish nila. Okay lang din kasi hindi ko naman bet yung shade na to. Look at this kapondok na kailangan kong tupiin. Oh my gosh. I'm not sure if I'm gonna finish all of this today. Siguro babaliktarin ko lang yung mga damit, or, well, I need to take all the hangers first, tapos baliktarin ko yung mga damit, tapos segregate sila. Segregate! Hi guys! Let's have dinner! Meron ako dito isang egg. Yes, I like my egg like that. Yung parang sunog. Pero, ganyan yung yolk. I don't know anong Tagalog. Malasado? I do not know what I'm talking about. Nakakaloka si Manny Pacquiao, no? Actually, Daniel told me about it last night. Daniel is Mr. Bear. Sabi niya kasi, pwede mo naman sabihin sa kanila yung pangalan ko. Bakit ka Mr. Bear na Mr. Bear? Pero yeah, he told me about it yesterday. I mean, last night when we talked. And sabi ko, I don't really care. Hanggang sa nakita ko sa social media, sa Facebook, doon ko na-gets talaga ng bonggang-bongga. Wow, okay, ganun pala nangyari. Nakakaloka, no? Nakakaloka. Anyway, I will go ahead and have dinner, you guys. Kain tayo? I-retouch ko ang aking lipstick, you guys, kasi i-close ko na yung aking review. I'm using today the Maybelline Color Show Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Lively Violet. Sobrang ganda nito, guys. I actually have a review on this already. Nice. Diba? Bongga itong shade na to. Tapos sobrang creamy nitong lipstick na to. Tapos na ako sa aking review and I need to wash my face. Yun yung pinaka first beauty video ko na wala akong nail polish sa nails ko. Actually, nakalimutan ko kanina. Nagre-review pala ako. Patanggal-tagal ako na nail polish ko. I was like, oh my gosh. Natanggal ko na siya lahat. Doon ko pa naalala na nagre-review pala ako. Anyway, I will go ahead and wash my face. Wala na namang tubig. Really. Wala na namang tubig, nakakainis. So, kailangan ko magtabo. Pero okay lang yan. I will be using my Himalaya facial wash. Ang ingay, grabe. Katapos ko lang i-wash ang aking face. Now, maglalagay na ako ng miracle cream. So yes, I have been using it. I don't use this every night though. Kasi hindi ko siya ginagamit as daily moisturizer eh. And kapag hindi ako nag-makeup that day, hindi na ako naghihilamos pa ulit sa gabi. So like, you know, kung ano yung moisturizer na sinuot ko that day, kapag again, wala akong makeup, hindi ako naghilamos ulit, yun na yung suot ko hanggang sa matulog ako. But like ngayon, na nag-makeup ako, nag-wash ako ng face ko, since patulog na naman ako, then I will use my miracle cream. Again, this is from makeuplaarni. I will leave their links below. Siguro mga 3 gabi ko na siya nagamit. Ginagamit ko rin pala siya sa aking, ano guys, pits. Yeah. Again, nasabi ko na to sa previous video ko eh. Sobrang maputi nito sa face. Hala, may tubig na. When? Mark? Parang bukas yung gripo sa baba. Walang tao. Shut ko muna, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Mag-edit ako. Actually, nag-start na ako mag-edit. Hindi pa nag-start. Pero na-transfer ko na yung files sa PC namin dun sa kabala. Later, I will film a swatches video of the velvetines. I have it ready right here. It's right there. That's from Fash Find, by the way. I will leave her links below. I will need to film one more video. Haul, maybe. Yeah. Haul of the SG Authentic products that I received na hindi ko na-include sa previous haul ko kasi nga mahaba na yung haul na yon. And then, what else am I gonna do? I think I'm gonna film one more. We'll see, we'll see. Oh gosh, I need to paint my nails first. It's Ligo time, you guys. I will be using again my scrub from makeuplaarni. Ito yung coffee milk scrub niya. Tapos, I'm also using the snail soap. Sobrang bango nito. Siguro mga 3 or siguro mga 2 gamit ko na lang yan. Madali siya maubos yung snail soap. Pero okay lang kasi mabango. After snail soap, gagamitan ko yung radish soap ata. Ang dami ko pang soap na kailangan gamitin. Meron pa akong soaps from Luxicon or Luxicon. Ito yung mga natanggap ko from Icon Premier. Yung mga soaps pala guys, hindi ko ginagamit sa mukha ko. Sa katawan ko lang ginagamit lahat. Siguro next soap I will use is the radish soap. Lagay ko na lang to doon para hindi ko makalimutan. And maliit lang din naman siya. So I'm pretty sure madali lang to maubos. I cannot wait to use the Luxicon or Luxicon. Hindi ko alam kung paano i-pronounce. Yeah, I can't wait to use those. But yeah, lagay ko lang siya dito. And, oh, tinry ko na nga pala yung scrub brush head from Vanity Planet. And, hindi ko siya gusto. Parang it's so hard to work with. Kasi, malaki siya. Tapos, di ba, nagsispin-spin siya. Wala lang, mahirap siya. Mahirap siya. And may nagtatanong pala kung kailan ako gumagamit ng scrub. I use scrubs everyday, you guys. Na-mention ko na yan sa mga videos ko na I love scrubs. So yeah, I use it everyday. Pagkatapos ko magsabon, nire-rinse ko yung sabon, tapos nag-scrub ako. Yeah, yun. And, oo nga pala, naubos na yung Skin Sensations scrub ko. Na-mention ko na to sa video ko eh. Ito yung Let's Milk. Sobrang bango nito kasi sobra. Madali siyang naubos eh. Mga 1 week ko lang siya nagamit. Pero sobrang bango niya, you guys. As in, siya yung pinakamabangong scrub na try ko ever. Like, after ko maligo, after ko na ma-rinse off lahat-lahat, naamoy ko pa rin siya sa body ko, which is amazing. That's from myzyph on Instagram. I will leave the links of the shops that I mentioned below. Okay, ligo na ako kasi I need to paint my nails pa. Hi guys! Ooh, wait, no card? Oh, sorry. I'm here sa aking setup because I'm gonna film a swatches video on these bad boys right here. Ito yung mga velvetines from Lime Crime, pero Replica lang siya. Marami kasi sa inyo nag-request niyan. So, I'm gonna do that. I just finished filming 2 videos, you guys. Na-film ko yung swatches video ng aking velvetines. Tapos, na-film ko na rin yung aking Q&A video, which will be up on Monday. Salamat nga pala sa mga positive feedbacks on my previous Q&A video. I appreciate it. And, yeah. Gagawin na natin weekly since most of you guys said na weekly natin gagawin. The one I have on my lips right now is the Velvetine from Lime Crime. Ito yung SG Authentic. Na ano bang shade nito? Parang, wait, shoot. Nakalimutan ko. Shroom? No. Ito, this one right here. This is in the shade Salem. Ganda, diba? This is what I have on my nails nga pala, guys. Nakalimutan kong sabihin sa inyo kanina. Oh my gosh, it looks really glittery. Glittery? Hindi ko alam kung anong shade niya. Naputol, oh. But bigay sa akin to ni Shirlene. Christmas gift niya. Super ganda, diba? I actually am not expecting that I will like this shade because I'm not really like a big purple fan. This reminds me so much of Sis Purple Aries. Hi sis if you're watching. But yeah, so cute, right? You guys, my goodness! I just uploaded my haul. I will leave the link below, yung pinaka-recent na haul ko. And tinignan ko yung website ng Icon Premier because I was featuring Icon Premier products there. And I freaking found out that this mask right here is 3,000 pesos. Wait, what? Really? Why are you so freaking expensive? This is so freaking expensive. I do not deserve this. Like, I can't believe it. What's in you? Oh my gosh. I just can't. Thank you so much. Naloka ako. Thank you so much, Icon Premier, for sending that. Like, naloka talaga ako. Tapos itong lotion na ito. Itong lotion na I have been using for days, as you guys can see. 1,000 ata? Bakit ang mahal? My gosh. Okay naman siya. Very moisturizing. That's why. Because it's so freaking expensive. Dang. May glutathione siya. Ah, I see. Still though, that's really expensive. I'll do shoutouts na guys. Naloka pa rin ako sa price ng Icon Premier. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna start with Lori Morante. Birthday niya, February 21. Advance happy birthday. Joy Augusto. And to her baby na si Naz. Hi! I like the name, Naz. Aubrey Cayanes. Shoshana Marie Espino. Hi! Camille Camato. Zho Wie. Meron siyang channel. I will leave the link below. Shera Tervero. Maki Prasmo. Paula Coronado. Lian Bautista. Lady Lynn Regala, hello. Jesha Lorontan, Ryan Mitchell Nicer of Hindang Leyte, hi. Hi to Catirel, Angeles, Trixie May Jerusalem, Asha Demasige, Mary Justin, Uptown Girl 143, Mitch Apple, and lastly, Anne Therese. Hi sa inyong lahat. And yeah, I will close the vlog, you guys. I need to edit this vlog. I will see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Bye!